Hi, I'm Lexi. Let's learn 10 powerful friendship idioms. Number 1. Thick as thieves. It means very close friends who trust each other deeply. Example, those two are thick as thieves and share everything. Number 2. A shoulder to cry on. It means a friend who offers comfort and emotional support. Example, after her bad day, she needed a shoulder to cry on. Number 3. Through thick and thin. It means staying loyal in both good times and bad. Example, true friends stay together through thick and thin. Number 4. Hit it off. It means to become friends very quickly. Example, we hit it off the moment we met. Number 5. Two peas in a pod. It means two people who are very similar and always together. Example, the sisters are like two peas in a pod. Number 6. Birds of a feather flock together. It means people with similar interests or personalities tend to become friends. Example, they all love music, so birds of a feather flock together. Number 7. Go way back. It means to have known someone for a very long time. Example, our families go way back. Number 8. Fair weather friend. It means someone who is only friendly when life is easy. Example, he disappeared when I needed help, he's just a fair weather friend. Number 9. Be on the same wavelength. It means to think in a very similar way and understand each other well. Example, we work well together because we're on the same wavelength. Number 10. Have each other's backs. It means to support and protect one another. Example, real friends always have each other's backs. Awesome job, everyone. Now you know some strong friendship idioms in English. Keep practicing, use them in your daily conversations, and don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in the next video.